Today we're going to take out the rear windows. Two side windows are actually fixed where they should be roll up and roll down, which is what they were originally. So the one on this side here actually still has the window regulator attached and installed inside the inside the side of the car. This side, it has been removed, so I'm assuming that they are both kind of sealed in somehow. So I have to take out the garnish moldings first, which is just a couple of screws, and then see what I got behind the outside of the windows. You can definitely see that they are sealed up with butyl or some kind of a window seal. Well, this is the driver's side. I've got it almost out. This is the side window. As you can see, it was glued in as well as being attached to the window regulator. So I have to figure out how to get the regulator out and hopefully drop all of this either out the bottom or be able to pull it out the top. So now we're going to start taking apart the doors. First we got to remove the door handle. Inside door handle. So I'm trying to take the screws out, 3 screws, and the top one's giving me a little bit of trouble here. It looks like somebody put a nut and bolt in rather than just the screw into the door. It's going to take a while. Once I get this screw out, basically you just got to lift the arm with the thing on the end there, and it should come right off. Or fall down. Next I got to take out the door latch, which is inside the door. First you got to get the outside door handle off first, and it's just held on with one screw, and then you basically wiggle it out. Comes. There we go. I'm going to put the screw back in there so I don't lose it, but I'll probably lose it anyways. Actually, probably going to buy new handles. I got one new door handle in a swap meet last weekend, but I'll probably replace the other side with the new one because these are pretty worn out. So there's 3 more screws, one on the inside and then 2 on the door edge there. Take the inside one out first. All this stuff, some of these fasteners have been really easy to get out, other ones have been really difficult to get out. That's the inside one out. Sorry for the shaky video. I had the camera attached to the door, which I shouldn't have. Take the second one out and it will probably drop in. There you go, just dropped inside the door, so it came out relatively easily. Get the screw here. Gotta wear a mask because there's other people in the shop. And there is the inside door. Well, got a lot done today. Like I said, I was getting the windows out, got those all out. Back side windows. They're held in with this butyl stuff, which is what they use to glue in windshields nowadays. So there's quite a bit of it left. I spent a lot of time scraping and wiping down, but there's still some in there I gotta get. So they're out. Both doors now have the mechanisms all removed, so there's no guts in there.
this window's out too. So this window, this side here, was just glued in. That's it. There was no window regulator. The other side over there did have a window regulator in it, which I took out, and kind of an oddball looking thing, but it's gone now.